comes alongside Capital Factory to empower us as a general partner by allowing us to really focus on what we're good at, and that's investing in the best early stage startups in Texas, and they handle everything else. Hi, I'm Jill Klinvex. I'm the venture principal at Capital Factory, the most active early stage investor in Texas since 2010. And most recently launched our AngelList rolling fund. So I got into the world of venture capital about 5 years ago, but as I started to do more internships and get more involved, I realized that any diverse group was not quite as involved in the venture capital world. And so I wanted to be able to pave the way for more women, minorities to come into venture capital. So the value that the Texas Fund, or our AngelList Rolling Fund, brings to the community is that we are able to host investment challenges out of our rolling fund. We host about 4 to 5 investment challenges per year, which are focused on a different minority group in order to make sure that they can receive funding and help level the playing field for those founders. We have a large innovation council of Fortune 100 and 500 companies. We have a mentor network of 250 plus mentors. And now that we're on the AngelList Rolling Fund platform with our Texas Fund, we're also able to publicly market our fund, which is a first in the industry and a huge innovation and advantage for us when going out to fundraise. So we get exposure through the AngelList platform. And so we have so many more female LPs, we have more diverse LPs. And one of my favorite things is, when you refresh your fund page and see investors that maybe you've never met with or spoken to, but they've discovered you through AngelList, and we're able to get new investors coming through that end up referring us fantastic deals, expose us to new opportunities that we may have not heard of before, which is something that we absolutely love.